Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes, 'cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. I do what it takes.
Want to win this game. Offensive line, push your man till the whistle blows. Okay? And it's tails.
How do you feel?
Let's go. Get back right here. Come on.
Keep running. There we go. You saw what happened when everybody blocks and gets a man? We were able to move the ball, right?
There we go. Keep running. Keep running. Help him out. Get him, Katarina. There we go, man. Block him. Block him. Reed, block him. Reed, block him. Block him, Reed. Block. Come back. Where you been at all game? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You gotta do it for 4 quarters. Can't do it for one. Can't do it for one play. You can't do it for one series. You gotta play the whole game.
1, 2, 3, 4.